What types of car damage do squirrels cause? Have you ever wondered how a tiny squirrel can cause big problems for your car? These little creatures can create quite a mess under the hood, leading to costly repairs. Let's break down the types of damage squirrels can cause and how it relates to your auto insurance. First off, squirrels are notorious for chewing on wiring harnesses. Their teeth keep growing, so they gnaw on materials to keep them trimmed. This can lead to exposed and severed electrical wires, affecting important functions like your engine and dashboard electronics. If you notice clean-cut wires with teeth marks, that's a sure sign of squirrel activity. Next, squirrels can also damage fuel lines. They tend to chew on rubber fuel lines, which can result in fuel leaks. This is not only dangerous but can also lead to engine performance issues. If you smell gasoline or notice a leak, it's time to check for squirrel damage. Another area of concern is vacuum hoses. These hoses are critical for engine management and emissions control. If a squirrel chews through a vacuum hose, it can cause engine malfunctions and poor fuel economy. Keep an eye out for any signs of wear or damage in this area. Squirrels are also known to shred insulation materials in the engine compartment. They often use this shredded material for nesting. This can reduce the effectiveness of insulation, leading to increased engine noise and potential heat damage to other components. Speaking of nests, squirrels sometimes build nests inside the engine compartment itself. This can block airflow, causing overheating and other mechanical issues. If you hear unusual sounds or notice overheating, it might be time for a thorough inspection. Now let's talk about auto insurance. Damage caused by squirrels is typically covered under comprehensive coverage. This type of coverage protects against damage not caused by collisions, including damage from animals. If you have comprehensive coverage, you can file a claim for repairs related to squirrel damage. Without it, you would need to pay for repairs out of pocket, which can be quite expensive. Repair costs can vary widely based on the extent of the damage and the make and model of your vehicle. In some cases, repairs can run into the thousands of dollars, especially if wiring or engine components are severely affected. In summary, squirrels can cause significant damage by chewing on wiring, fuel lines, and vacuum hoses, as well as shredding insulation and building nests. This damage can lead to serious electrical and mechanical issues. If you have comprehensive auto insurance, you may be able to cover the costs of these repairs. Always keep an eye on your vehicle and check for signs of squirrel activity to avoid costly surprises.